Hello, kids! Welcome! Today we're going to learn the names of yummy fruits. This is an apple. Apple! This is a banana. Banana! This is a mango. Mango! This is an orange. Orange! This is grapes. Grapes! This is a pineapple. Pineapple! This is a watermelon. Watermelon! This is a strawberry. Strawberry! This is a papaya. Papaya! This is a guava. Guava! This is a pomegranate. Pomegranate! This is a kiwi. Kiwi! This is a pear. Pear. This is a cherry. Cherry. This is a coconut. Coconut. This is a lemon. Lemon. This is a plum. Plum. This is a lychee. Lychee. This is a dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. This is a blueberry. Blueberry.
Come on, everybody, let's dance and play. It's a fruity party happening today.